Hey, before I begin all the SEO strategies that I'm about to teach you in this and the upcoming videos, I want to discuss a few points beforehand. The very first point I want to discuss, and which is very important, is that you should always diversify your link building. Okay. Now by diversify, I mean use multiple anchor texts for your links. So don't just use your product name keyword as anchor text in all your links that you build. Okay. Also use multiple SEO strategies. Okay. So don't just let's say if you're doing blog commenting, don't just do only blog commenting. Mix it up a little, and because I'm going to show you a lot of SEO strategies, you've got a lot of options to mix it up. Okay, now submit your link to both do follow and no follow sites. I know this is going against a lot of the SEO gurus out there who say that you should only submit your links to do follow because only that counts. What I have found works best for me is that you submit your links to both do follow and no follow, because that seems more natural to Google. Okay, so the entire concept of diversifying your link building is basically to seem more natural in Google's eyes. So the upcoming videos that I'm about to show you will and this video as well should teach you a lot of SEO strategies. You can use them on your profit instrument if you want to further improve rankings. Let's say you're ranking in the 9th position, you want to go up to the top 3, so you can use one or a combination of the SEO strategies that I'm about to teach you on your profit instrument, or you can also use them on other websites. Okay, so if you've got other niche based websites or other websites of your own, you can use them to get ranked higher in the search engines and get more free traffic. You can also use them on your client sites. So if you're doing work for your clients who want to get ranked higher in the search engines, you can use these strategies for them as well. Now some of the strategies that I'm about to teach you are long term, okay, so which require a lot of effort in the long term, and some are short term. So both of them are important, and SEO, as many people have already told you, is most likely a long term process. Okay, you cannot just leave a site and expect that it'll rise in the rankings. Yes, with the PIS of less than 5, that does happen. So if your profit instrument score is less than 5, you just follow the quick index and the social bookmarking, and that's it. Your site will get indexed and ranked higher in the search engines. Okay, but if your PIS is greater than 5 or greater than 10, or if you're targeting a competitive keyword, or let's say you have done something wrong on a profit instrument, your on-page SEO is not that good, so you may need to follow some SEO strategies as well if you want to get ranked higher for the PNK. Okay, so let's begin this entire journey with a concept called authority piggyback. Okay, now the authority piggyback concept basically is that we won't use our brain to find the links where we want to post. Okay, our links to, basically, so we won't find the websites where we want to post our links. The authority sites will tell us where we have to post our links. Okay, now this is a very easy to follow, but it's also a long-term process. Okay, so it involves blog commenting. So let me just dive right in. So the first step is to do a search for your product name keyword. Let's say I've done pregnancy miracle in Google. Okay, and then find out which of the websites in the top 10 are affiliate websites. Now anything with the product name review or reviewed, or all the parameters that I showed you, obviously these are all affiliate websites. Okay, like this pregnancy miracle review, and because this is getting ranked in the 2nd position, this means that this guy has done a lot of SEO. Okay, so how will we find what links he has posted, on which URLs he's posted his links, and how he has done his SEO? How will we find out? Okay, this is very easy. All you have to do is you have to copy this link, okay, his URL, and then go to a site called Backlinks Watch. Okay, so this is Backlinks Watch, backlinkwatch.com. Then enter the URL. Okay, now www matters. So if you enter pregnancymiraclereview.org, and if you enter www.pregnancymiraclereview.org, both of them will show different results. So try out both of them while following the strategy. But right now I'm just going to go with this. Just click on check backlinks. This is a very neat website which tells us the total number of backlinks that pregnancymiraclereview.org has, and these are all the backlinks that Pregnancy Miracle Review has. Okay, these are all the backlinks that it has. So here are all of them. Okay, and it also tells us the anchor text of the backlinks. Okay, like this, anchor text of all the backlinks. And it also tells us the page rank, if any, but this feature is not working, I guess. It also tells us the outbound links on that website, and if a URL has got a lot of outbound links, so the value of your link on that URL is not does not get much weight. So because basically each link on that URL gets equal weightage, so that's why. For example, the 187 links outbound from this site and 72 outbound links from this website, your link will be given more weightage from this. Okay, if the page ranks are same on these two sites and you have submitted a link to both of these, you'll get much more weight from them. Okay, and the last parameter that Backlinks Watch shows us is the flag. Okay, so it shows us all the no follow, and okay, I've arranged it by no follow or do follow, so you can arrange them as well like this. So you can see all the no follow links, and below these are all the do follow links. Okay, so you've got a lot of do follow links that you can follow. All of them are do follow, all these. Okay, so you can just go through all of them and find it. So like I told you before, you have to diversify your link building efforts. You have to do both do follow and no follow. Okay, now let me tell you how you can do this. Okay, so let me just show you. First, there's a rule that you have to follow while following this approach is don't go to any blogspot.com or any wordpress.com site. Okay, don't open any of these sites, but you can open up the rest of them. For example, let's open up this, and let's open up this. Okay, let's also open up, let's say these are forums, so you can also find out all the forums where he has done his submitted his links. So this is an awesome way to find out all the okay, so you can also, this is expression engine. Let's open this one as well. Let's open up some blog posts now. For example, this one here. Okay, and let me just open another one. Let's find out, not a forum, I want to open a blog post. These, wherever you see forums or forum, obviously that's a forum. You want to find out a blog post now. Let's say this one. Okay, so I'm opening up a lot of I've opened up a lot of these links. I'll go through all of them, but if you scroll through this list, you'll find out that this guy has done an exceptionally lot of forum posting. Okay, and to various different forums. So here you have it. We found out a very good clue, and because Google is placing this site in the top 3, so we know that Google is liking the link building efforts of this site. Okay, so basically Google likes it that when this when links are left on all these websites. So what you can do is you can go to all of them one by one, and you can do exactly the same thing that this person has done on pregnancymiraclereview.org. So you've got all the URLs where he submitted his link. You can go to them one by one and submit your link to them. Okay, so let's find out what the person has done. For example, this is the blog of The Fray, and I think people post comments on this. Yep. And okay, so let me just tell you how this works. This is a concept called blog commenting. Now what you have to do is like in this example, you have to log in or register to post comments. So I'll show you another example where you can post comments. Let's say this one. This is another of the sites that are opened up. This is dailyblogtips.com, and this is a post on that blog. Okay, so if you scroll down, here are the comments section that starts. You can put up your links. As you can see, this is a link, this is a link. Okay, and let me just show you how you can do that. Scroll down to the bottom where you enter your name. Okay, this is where you'll enter the anchor text. Okay, for example, the pregnancy tips that you can see here, this is the anchor text, and in fact this is the anchor text for pregnancymiraclereview.org. so what you have to do is you have to just enter your anchor text, your product name keyword in this. Okay, under name, email address, you have to enter your email address, website is the URL of your website. Okay, and then you have to enter a comment. Okay, like for example, the pregnancymiraclereview.org person has given up a good review. I recommend that please don't spam these areas. Okay, many people just see all these techniques and they start spamming. That's not what I want. You can read through this post. Okay, and whatever you find interesting, or if you can write down something related to this post, you can speak out your mind. Okay, speak your mind. You can write down a comment and then click on submit comment. Okay, so basically the name is where you'll enter your anchor text, the website is where you'll enter your URL, obviously your profit instrument URL, and you'll enter your comment and hit submit, and then your comment will come up here. Okay, so please post related comments only. And you want to see one interesting thing. This site has got a page rank of 5. Okay, now tell me, how valuable is this? You've got your link on a page rank 5 in just a minute. Okay, now does this sound good? Okay, now here's another one. This is also a blog post, I think. Okay, so this is awesome as well. As you can see, this page has got a page rank of 3. This URL itself has got a page rank of 3. So, and as you can see, the Pregnancy Miracle person has put up a link with the anchor text Pregnancy Miracle. Okay, and this is all do follow to pregnancymiraclereview.org from a page rank 3. Okay, and it's so easy to add your comment. You can also add your comment like this. You can just click on add your comment, and then you have to be signed in, but still you have to register basically. But think about this. Within just a minute or two of effort, if you write down a good comment here, okay, by reading this post, you'll get a do follow link from a page rank 3. You know, people pay for links. Okay, people buy links, and getting a link from page rank 3 is about $15 to $20. Okay, minimum. So you're getting this, and that to monthly $15 to $20, and you're getting this permanent link on a page rank 3 website. And how long did it take to find out this website, right? So I'll just close this up and I'll show you another of the websites. Now this is Expression Engine. Remember the Web 2.0 profiles that I told you about? Remember that? This is exactly the same thing. The person has created a profile, and as you can see, this URL, expressionengine.com/forums/member/ this random number member ID. So the person, what he has done is he has added out a bio, his about me area, and then these 2 links. In fact, there's one more thing you can take out from this example. Can you see the VFit bundle? Okay, so we know that this person also owns this domain name. What you do is you copy this link, okay, the link to VFit bundle, which is vfitbundle.info, and then put it inside Backlinks Watch again, and you'll find all the links that VFit bundle has done his SEO on. So you can keep track of all these. You can it's a never-ending story. You can find a lot of these prints basically, on which you can follow and then post your comments. So I'll just close this up. Okay, so this is a forum.laptop.org, and in this, as you can see, this person has again placed a link. Okay, so this is, let's just see what this is about. Okay, now this is interesting. Nancy J. Morgan has just one post. Okay, just one post, and this is Pregnancy Miracle. Okay, so with the anchor text, the person's link is coming up with just one post. So all you have to do is you have to register to this, add a comment to this post, or reply to this thread or any other thread, and then your links will come up. We've already gone through the fray thing, right? So I'll just close this up. Now, as you can see, I taught you 2 or 3 important lessons from this. First, you have to follow the footprints. Okay, you find out one website, you put it inside Backlink Watch, you go to all these other sites that the person has submitted their links to. Okay, and then you find out some footprints, custom footprints that the person leaves. For example, we found out the VFit bundle, or you can also find out these footprints from another way. You can, for example, if you go to this link here, this is a blog post. Okay, now if you go to this blog post, you'll find that the pregnancy miracle person has obviously posted a comment, but there'll be many more who have posted their comments. You can copy their URLs and put that into Backlink Watch, and then get all their URLs on which they have submitted their links. So this is an entire process that you can follow again and again and again, and you can obviously outsource this entire process as well. Okay, so that's about Backlink Watch. Now I want to tell you about another site called siteexplorer.search.yahoo.com. Just do a Google search for Site Explorer, Yahoo Site Explorer. Okay, let me just do it in front of you. Yahoo Site Explorer. Okay, so this is Yahoo Site Explorer. All you need to do is click on this link here and go to siteexplorer.yahoo.searchengine.com, whatever. Okay. Now what you can do is you can put up a URL, okay, which you want to study inside this. For example, in our case it was pregnancymiraclereview.org, and then explore URL. You can click on in links. Okay, click on in links, and then choose show in links except from this domain. Okay, because this list that you see here shows links from inside this domain also, but we don't want that. We want to see all the external links. Okay, and here are all these links. Now please keep in mind, Backlink Watch picks out a lot of its links from Yahoo Site Explorer. Okay, but I just like the Yahoo Site Explorer interface, okay, in which you get the title and the URL of the entire post here, and you can explore the link. Okay, so you can use this also to find out all the links where your competition is doing all this backlinking from. So let's review this process. Do a Google search for your product name keyword, find out the top affiliate websites in the top 10 rankings, put them in Backlink Watch or Yahoo Site Explorer, get all the links, and put and place your link on those URLs. Okay, easy, simple enough. Okay, now there's another thing that you can follow. You can go to, you can type Google blog alerts. Okay, so just go to google.com/alerts. What you can do is you can create a Google alert. The search term that you enter will be the product name keyword, okay, or any niche related keyword. For example, in pregnancy miracle, you can type out a keyword such as how can I get pregnant, okay, such keyword. In fact, I recommend that you type out a niche related keyword, because you won't find much blog posts regarding pregnancy miracle or regarding your product name keyword. The search term you'll enter will be niche based search terms, niche based keywords, like in the pregnancy miracle case, it was how to get pregnant fast, or how can I get pregnant, or pregnant quickly, all these keywords. And then you can select the type as blogs. Okay, you want to see only blog posts, how often, once a day, and email up to 10 results and deliver to your email address and create alert. Okay, so what Google will do is it will send out an email to your email address that you mention here. Okay, and it will send out the top 10, not top 10, I think random out of the all the blogs that were created regarding related to that keyword that day. It will send out a list of 10 such blog posts. So what you can do is you'll get an email with the 10 links. You can open them up one by one and submit your comment to all those posts. Read through the post that the person has made and submit a comment. So this is a very new and exciting way in which you can post, you can do your blog commenting. Okay, now this is also leveraging the authority sites ranking in Google and respect in Google, because Google will send out alerts only for those sites that it considers good. Okay, now there's another very interesting concept that I have used for a few of my websites. It does take some time and some effort, but it pays off big time. Now always remember one thing: if you have a link on an authority website, okay, if you have a link on an authority website in your niche, then that gives a lot of weight to your profit instrument or to your website. So basically our entire aim should be to get just one link. Just one link will do from an authority website. Okay, now how you can do that is you can do favors or guest blogging for your authority based websites. For example, let's do a search for get pregnant. Okay, I'll just hit search. Okay, so earlier I got results from the Google India, so now these are Google US results. Now as you can see, Mayo Clinic, which is obviously an authority website, okay, Red Book Mag, this also seems like an authority website. Okay, now all these top websites that you can see here, mahalo.com, what you can do is you can open up, let's say, this site here. Now this has got a page rank 4 and this is an authority website. So tell me, wouldn't it be awesome if you could get just one link on this page that points out to your website? It's related and it's got an awesome page rank and it's an authority website. This would carry so much weight. Okay, so how can you get a link on these authority websites? It's a little work, but it pays off big time. So what you can do is you can contact them. Okay, there are obviously contact links on these authority websites. You can contact them. You can tell them that you'll help out with their marketing, or you can tell them that you can help them with creating a new design for them for their website, or you can do some guest blogging for them. Let's say they need some articles on their blog, so you can tell them that you will do guest blogging for them, and all they have to do is they have to just put up a link of your website. Okay, but please keep one thing in mind: you don't want to mention your backlinking motives before you have started any work with them. Okay, first get in touch, just let them know that you're a big fan of their blog or big fan of their website and you want to help out and be a member of the community, active member of the community, and you're willing to do some favors for them, help them in their marketing, or write some blogs, article for them, do some research for them. Okay, you can do anything for them, and then after you get to know these guys, then you can ask them to place a link on their website for your URL. Okay, and this has worked for me multiple times before. I've targeted authority websites and this does work, but this the main problem with this method is that it's a lot of hard work. Okay, but still, if you can get a link from these authority websites, it carries so much weight. Okay, these websites carry a lot of weight. Okay, so that is all about the authority piggyback technique. Okay, there are multiple techniques that I've told you inside this. First was Backlinks Watch and Yahoo Site Explorer. Next we discussed about Google Site Alerts, and after that guest blogging or favors for authority websites. Now I've given you a lot of ideas which you can follow from these authority piggyback technique, and in the next video what we're going to do is discuss some methods on articles. Okay, so I'll see you then. Thanks a lot.